Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a hiring frame on LinkedIn. This is a great way to signal to your network that your company or team is actively looking for new talent, and it takes just a few clicks to set up. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, sign in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to your profile settings. After logging in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see your profile preview displayed there. Go ahead and click on your profile. This will take you directly to your main profile page, where you can view and edit your information. Now that you're on your profile page, locate your profile picture at the top of the screen. Click directly on your profile picture. This action will open up a menu with several customization options specifically related to your photo and how it appears to your network. From the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Frames. Click on Frames to proceed. This section allows you to add special borders or frames around your profile picture to highlight different causes, campaigns, or in this case, hiring status. Once you're in the Frames section, look for the option that says Hiring. LinkedIn provides this frame specifically for professionals and businesses who want to let their connections know they're currently recruiting. Click on Hiring to select this frame. Finally, you'll see a button that says Apply. Click Apply to confirm your selection and add the hiring frame to your profile picture. The frame will now appear around your photo, making it immediately visible to anyone who views your profile or sees your posts in their feed. And that's it. You've successfully added a hiring frame to your LinkedIn profile, making it clear to your network that you're looking for great candidates. This simple visual cue can help attract potential applicants and start conversations about opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.